in the previous classes we are learning about the types of computer memory. There are two types of computer memory. First is the internal memory or the primary memory. Second is the external or the secondary memory. Types of primary memory is the RAM and the ROM. Examples of the external memory is the hard disk, CD, DVD, Blu-ray disc, pen drive, memory card. From that, we are learn about the internal memory. What is the internal memory? It is store the data and programs that can be directly and quickly accessed by the processor. Okay, next we learn about the two types of the internal memory. First is the RAM, random access memory, that is a volatile memory or temporary memory. It is also a read-write memory. ROM, that is a read-only memory. That is a non-volatile memory and you can read it only. It is used as software called the BIOS, basic input output system. Now we are going to learn for the next one, that is the external or the secondary memory. It stores the data permanently until it is deleted or overwritten. Internal memory में क्या होता था, whenever you save your data in your RAM, for example your electricity will be lost, then your data will be erased automatically in the RAM. RAM में ऐसा होता था कि आपने कोई डेटा बनाया लेकिन आपने उसको सेव नहीं किया है, तो अगर आपकी इलेक्ट्रिसिटी चली जाती है your data will be erased automatically. But in the external memory the data is permanently, you cannot be erase it. Yes, if you want to erase it you can. There is a no connection of the external memory and the electricity. It's not a volatile or the non-volatile, you can say. The data will be deleted whenever the user wants to delete it. जब user उसको delete करना चाहेगा तब ही data delete हो पाएगा. So that's why it is called the permanent memory. Second name, permanent memory, external memory or secondary memory or the permanent memory. The secondary memory is less expensive than the primary memory. Means primary memory is the expensive. First जो memory हमने पढ़ी RAM and ROM, that is the expensive than the external memory. The capacity of secondary memory is more. Why? Because it was not directly inside a computer system. You can be removed it or attach it. आप उसको remove भी कर सकते हो computer के साथ, उसको attach भी कर सकते हो. Choice of yours, and you can use a different type of it. The data stored in the secondary storage devices is not erased when power to a computer is switched off. Now examples of storage devices that serve an external memory: first hard disk, second CD, third DVD, fourth Blu-ray disc, fifth pen drive, and sixth the memory card. Now we are going to learn one by one. First we are going to learn about the hard disk. What is the hard disk? One thing, hard disk is a two type, that is inside a computer system and that is outside of computer system also available. So it's a internal or the external. It is a permanently installed inside a computer. जब आप नया कंप्यूटर परचेज करते हो तो वो बाय डिफॉल्ट आपके कंप्यूटर सिस्टम में आपके CPU inside a CPU it is. In consist you can see the first internal image, जो आपको यहाँ पे first internal hard disk की image है उस पर concentrate कीजिए. It consists of many circular metallic plates or the disk layer with the magnetic coating. How it will be making? It consists many circular metallic plate. You can see here. Okay, I will be do it. You can see here. आप यहाँ पे देख सकते हो जो रेड आपको पॉइंट दिख रहा है. You can see here that is a circular metallic plates. You can see only one. आपको यहाँ पे एक ही दिख रहा है लेकिन यहाँ पे एक नहीं है. There are many metallic plates layered with the magnetic coating. Please mute yourself. My voice will be came to you clearly. The circular plates are mounted together one above to the another on the splinter and rotate very high speed. वो एक दूसरे पे के साथ रहती है and it will be rotate on the very high speed. The hard disk can store a huge amount of data. जो हमारा रैम की कैपेसिटी थी, रोम की कैपेसिटी थी, it has a more than a capacity to the RAM and ROM both. Okay, the hard disk can store the huge amount data that include the operate. मैं बता रही हूँ, इंटरनल इज ऑन द सीपीयू जो आपको नहीं दिखाई देती आउटसाइड. प्लीज mute yourself, my voice will be came to clearly. There is a one question that how can be inside a computer system and now it will be external. So previously there is a not external hard disk are available, लेकिन अभी जैसे जैसे inventions हो रहा है वैसे ही external hard disk भी available हो गई. You can see the external also that is connected via USB drive. जो हमने लास्ट ईयर पोर्ट्स चैप्टर सीखे थे उसमें एक यूएसबी पोर्ट भी था. The external USB will be connected with the USB port and this is the internal hard disk that is by default in your CPU system. जो बाय डिफॉल्ट सीपीयू में होता है इसलिए आपने उसको कभी नहीं देखा होगा. Right, so there are the two types of hard disk. First is the internal, second is the external. Internal is by default in the CPU system that are the many circular magnetic plates layered with the magnetic coating. It's include the operating system, applications, programs, other files such as images, documents, music and videos. Okay, one thing you have to remember about the external your hard disk, that is a removable, means you can attach a one USB one hard disk to the multiple computers. ऐसा नहीं है कि एक हार्ड डिस्क को आप एक ही कंप्यूटर में अटैच करो, but which one is the internal, that is a by default in your computer system. So it will be available for one computer, one internal hard disk. An external can be attached with the multiple computers with, and you can connect it via USB drive. And remember one thing, external hard disk, please mute yourself. External hard disk is slower than the internal hard disk. I request again, mute yourself. Next is the CD, that is called the compact disc. Full form of CD is a compact disc. It is a small plastic disc that store and retrieve the data using a line. सिंपली आपने सीडीज देखी होगी जो मूवीज के लिए भी एजुकेशन रिलेटेड भी आती है. There are the two types of CD. First is the CDR, that is a compact disc recordable. What happen in the CDR? It is only recorded once. उसको हम एक ही बार रिकॉर्ड कर पाते and you can read it multiple times. अगर आपको रिकॉर्ड करना हो तो एक ही बार उस CDR में आप रिकॉर्ड कर पाओगे, बट उसको रीड आप मल्टीपल टाइम कर पाओगे. यू कैन नॉट चेंज इन द CDR, उसके अंदर आप एडिटिंग नहीं कर सकते हो. जैसे कि एजुकेशनल रिलेटेड सीडीज आती है, दैट इज ओनली यू कैन सी इट. उसके अंदर आप कोई चेंजेस नहीं कर सकते हो. मे बी इन दैट देयर इज अ वीडियोस, देयर इज अ नोट्स. इन द CDR you can read it, you cannot change it. It is recorded once and used multiple times. Second type is CDRW, compact disc rewritable. From the name you can understood you can rewrite it one many times or one or more times. Please mute yourself. Again, a compact disc is a small, also called the CD, is a small plastic disc that stored and retrieve. Retrieve means वापस लेना. Data using a light. You can, whenever you see the CD on the background, that is a multiple coloring lights. You can see that it's a color type. we need to place it in the CD drive to lock it in front of the panel of the CPU. अगर आपको CD को रीड करना हो तो उसके लिए आपको CD ड्राइव का यूज करना पड़ेगा, जो हमने लास्ट ईयर ऑलरेडी फर्स्ट चैप्टर में सीख लिया था. How can you, what is the CD DVD drive? Two types of CD. First is the CD-R, that is compact disc recordable, and second is the CD-RW, that is compact disc rewritable. CD-R में क्या होगा? You can only record it once and read multiple times, but in the CD-RW you can record it multiple times, you can erase it multiple times, and you can read it multiple times. Everything will be happen in the multiple times. So that is due to some of the network issues, we are only learn till here. Next time we will be learn about the DVD. If you have a query regarding the hard disk and the CD, yes, what is your query? Please ask me.